Hi, my name is Jackie, and I'm a patient here at Renew, Dr. Lisa. I've been doing the thread lifting, and a few days ago I did the silhouette Instalift for my neck and jawline and had the mint DPO threads put in. It was a wonderful experience, and I've been seeing Dr. Lisa for quite some time, and she's just wonderful at her craft. And I actually, when I left here, went out to dinner with friends, so I love them, absolutely love them. I talk about it all the time.
All right, so we're here with Lisa Vuich and patient 1, Lorraine. Excited to tell us.
This is the after. We just spent a couple hours in a chair, getting a few threads and needles, and it was not
a PRP.
PRP, a little injection. It was great. What's really great is the difference. This is the before side angle picture. Mm-hmm. This is the after. That is completely different. I was numb. I felt comfortable. It was a very, very all-around great experience, actually.
Hi, my name is Kelly, and I'm here at Renew Medi Spa. So I recently had a thread lift about 2 weeks ago, and as you can see, the healing process is going very well. It was minimally invasive, and I was able to go back to work right away. Although I am working remote, I am on a lot of Zoom calls. I am so happy with my results. So I had 130-pound weight loss. So as you can imagine, I had a lot of sagging here in my neck. The threads were able to lift them up appropriately, and I'm so happy with the results. I've gotten a lot of comments. It's interesting. So many people have told me that I look fantastic, I look younger, I look more refreshed. I feel so much more confident having the threads because, you know, I'm in an industry where I'm in human resources and I meet with people all day long, like I said, on video, and I want to look my best, and I know the threads help with that. I absolutely recommend thread lifting. One, for the downtime is really, you know, it's a short downtime with major results. It's absolutely worth it.
Hi, my name's Judy, and I am here for my 1-month follow-up after having Instalift. I had full face done, and the results are just awesome. I'm thrilled with it. The downtime was a little bit hard at first because obviously there's a lot of pulling and tugging, but well worth it. And I can't wait to see what a couple more months brings, because the collagen is supposed to keep growing, and I'm just thrilled. I can't tell you how happy I am.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tabitha Samir, and I've traveled here all the way from my practice in New York City. The facilities are absolutely stunning. She has a beautiful training facility, gorgeous space, beautiful exam room, and we had an entire day of patients lined up. I find Dr. Vuich to be very, very personable, very, very thorough, and very precise with her technique, and it was a pleasure learning from her, and I can't wait to take these techniques and use them back at my own practice in New York.
So I came up here to train with Dr. Vuich. I actually had the pleasure of training with her a few years ago on PRP and cannula. This is probably the best, most comprehensive thread training I have ever had. Dr. Vuich is amazing at explaining anatomy, patient selection, expectations. I really do feel very ready to perform this procedure, and I would highly recommend this course.
I've been an injector for about 8 years now. I'm new to PDO threads, and Lisa was incredible. She helped me learn the anatomy, where I should be placing the thread. I felt very comfortable by the end of our training, and I learned more in 3 to 4 hours with her than I did for an entire week with some other practices. So I'm so grateful to Lisa and to Renew and to Casey and to Mint Threads, and thank you guys so much for having me. Just the best training I've ever had.
I'm a provider from Tampa, Florida, and I've been doing Mint Threads for a while now, but I wanted to get into the more advanced, easy and Mint 43. So Dr. Lisa Vuich, she's amazing. You could tell that she's been doing them for a while, and she does them all the time. So she was a wonderful trainer. She walked us through every step of the way, from, you know, the consultation to doing the vectors to placement to numbing, and it's amazing to see her artistic abilities too, and kind of picking what we're using, and exactly the vectors that we use are different for each patient. The facility here is just gorgeous. I mean, I haven't really ever seen anything like it before, just with all the murals and the feel of it. So it was overall a wonderful experience. And Dr. Lisa, as a mid trainer, I highly recommend any providers that are interested in doing the threads to come check her out and train with her.